1982 Camaro pace car, award winner, only 528 original miles. Videos from the MECUM auction in Kissimmee 2025, and if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. Hey guys, we are at MECUM auctions in Kissimmee, Florida. It is cold today. It's in the 40s and 50s. It's 2025, and we've put up a whole bunch of videos so far about MECUM. Check this one out. A beautiful 1978 Pontiac Trans Am SE. High bid, $40,000. Bid goes on. That wasn't accepted. These are a lot of the bid goes on cars right here. So what does bid goes on mean? So bid goes on means if it didn't break its reserve, so the owners of the cars, the sellers, want to see if anybody wants to offer at least what the bid was, if not higher, and give them a second chance to purchase it. Beautiful Bandit car right here. Black. So it's got the 6.6 on it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous Bandit car. Now, this is a Bandit car. The 77s were not Bandit car because Smokey and the Bandit hadn't come out yet, so they were just known as black Trans Ams. But in 78, by then, the Bandit had come out. They were calling them Bandit cars, and they sold a ton of them. Now here's the funny thing: if you've ever watched our channel, we have Burt Reynolds' actual car that NPD keeps in the back of their shop. So we have that. The funny thing is, he was promised a car from Pontiac, but the president of Pontiac in the middle of the movie was replaced. So by the time the movie ended, he never got his car. He actually had to go and buy one, which is the one that's at NPD's warehouse up in Ocala. This is one you buy. If you want to see his real one, go check out our NPD collection when we went and videoed their whole collection, and you'll see the real one that Burt owned. Thanks. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. All right, guys, well, we did not get the red, white, and blue Corvette that I was looking. It went for a little bit more than I wanted to pay for it. So we're back out here at the Bid Goes On. There's a 67 Camaro. This is a 70, what is this, 77 Chevy Monte Carlo. Let's just take a quick look at it here. It's got the saddle interior, standard Monte Carlo. got the nice seats. I wonder if they're the seats that turn sideways. No, they are not. But it's a decent car. Let me see what the bid was on this. The bid goes on. Oh, it doesn't say. It doesn't say what the bid was. All right. So now we have a Hemi Cuda convertible, 1970 Hemi 5-speed, and an SS396 Chevelle, 1969 Chevy Chevelle Coupe. Let's see, 4-speed. All right. I don't think these are the bid goes on. I think these are just drivers waiting to go in somewhere. El Camino. Oh no, this is the GMC Sprint. So it is similar to an El Camino. They just made a whole lot less of the GMC Sprints. So this is a 76 GMC Sprint. There we go. And then a 68 ragtop Chevelle. 4-speed. I want to say this is probably just a Malibu. Let's see, 307 Malibu. Yep, that's just a Malibu. All right. I don't want to say just a Malibu, but it's just a Malibu. All right, we're going to go down here and see what kind of goofy stuff is down here. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.